another video, and today we're going to be opening cars again. The first one we're going to be opening is a Gyrosphere. If you guys haven't seen the which Matchbox Hot Wheels is harder, you should go watch that and see which one. Wait, does this open? No. So what I like about this car is that when you move it, the seat goes with it, not just stays in the place. And that's a bubble, and it doesn't have wheels like the motorcycle. It's just a ball, you can move it anywhere. The last one we're going to be opening is a Ducati motorcycle. So what I like about this one is that it's a motorcycle and it's blue and black. And on the side it says Ducati and Hot Wheels right there. And that has a window. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on the post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!